Hi and welcome to Ocean AI. Today I just wanted to have a look at the gold and oil markets. The gold trade that we're in now triggered at 1993. Stop loss is at 199.50. What I'm looking at here, so the idea is with the AI, and we've had this all Gartley into here, into the time. So now I'm looking for a move down for the day. And with that, looking at potential targets down here. So the ABCD of this would take us down to 1978 area. Plus that's also the 50-60% retracement from this move here. So what could happen is this could come down, complete the ABCD, and then could go higher. Ideally, you'd want to see it over here at the expected change in trend, because if we're at a low here, you probably expect this to invert and then go higher for the day. So that's one option. The other option is, so this high we made here, this is a corrective pattern that might bring us down to 1958, 1960 again. That would be this ABCD, obviously further out. Because this for me looks corrective. That's why I wanted to short here. The other option is we've got the, what have we got? This ABC. I'll get rid of this one. This ABCD here, which runs up to 2005, and that would give us just a small 3-drive pattern here. So that's one option as well. It could go to this level and then fade away. But with the time here and with the pattern, these are the things I look for. That's why I had to go for the trade. It's only a small risk, only risking 65 points. So if it works, it works, and if it doesn't, we'll move on to the next one. The other one I wanted to look at was the oil here. Same thing. Yeah, oil had a nice run yesterday. If you got on that, went through the first target and then just kept falling away. Ended up being a really big move. So now looking at this Gartley back to sell again. The idea here is probably looking at 3:30ish this afternoon. So whether that's going to be here or if it's going to be up at the 618, that's what we want to keep an eye on. Ideally, we want it up here at the 618, because then we'd only need to risk probably 60 to 80 points. Yeah, so we'll keep an eye on that. What we want to see would be something like this, sort of a move up down to this time and then up to there and then fall away. That's sort of the ideal scenario here. So yeah, I'll put a trade out for this too if it sets up like this, or just if I'm not around, keep that in mind, that 618 level, and with the time here. The other way to play it, if you didn't want to have a bigger risk, would be wait for it to hit the level. There we go. Get rid of that. Oh no, that's the other one. Get rid of that. So if we come up here and then it fell away into this, and then we got that sort of 382, 50% pullback into there. That would be another way to play it, because you'd have small risk there. The way it's going up here, you have to have a lot more risk, 80, 100 points plus. She's moving so much, but that's another option if it does turn here. and you don't want to risk that much, you can wait for it to fall, look for that pullback, and then sell that second one, because that'll generally be faster than the first. So just a couple of options there with how I'm looking at these two. And yeah, the Aussie dollar is still running nicely. We'll keep that going for a bit. And yeah, that's about it for now. Hope this helps. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.